How to log in into Betika account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up any web browser that you prefer and on the search URL type in Betika login. Press enter in your keyboard. Now from this interface, head over to the first link that says Betika, best online sports betting in Kenya. Click on that. After that, you will be directly taken into login page. So, from this interface, first of all, you have to type in your phone number associated with your account. So, make sure you type in your correct phone number. And under that, you have to enter your password. And in case you forgot your password, there is a link that says forgot your password. Click on that and that will help you out to recover your password. After that, click on this login button and with that, you will be logged into your Betika account if you have entered the correct login credential. So that's how you can log in into Betika account and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video.